Sparky Sparks here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to see you here. Let's take a few minutes, some housekeeping. Push that subscribe button, please. That means you're following me. This is not a subscription where you're going to be hounded for yet another subscription. Just push the subscribe button and then we can stay connected. So what about this hair, right? Oh my goodness. This is called Belinda. She is made by Envy, and I'm telling you, I think this is my new favorite color, cinnamon raisin. I have another Belinda wig in a different shade, and I'll show you that. But let's just take a moment, right? Stunning, just stunning. Now, for anybody who has really fine hair or grew up or had fine hair, this would be closest to somebody with fine hair. Not a lot of hair. You can see when I put her in a ponytail, how thin that ponytail is. It's just really fine hair. Let's see the back. You can see the back there and the side. You can see it even pieces here. It's not real full hair. So for somebody like me who has always had fine hair, this is closest to that kind of hair. Now, I'm going to show you the inside of my other Belinda wig because I've already put this one on and I don't want to take her off. And I'm going to share with you why that is too. Just stand by for a minute. Now, Belinda, if you caught any of my construction videos, I'm doing construction at my house. You'll see that I wore this gal for the whole, I've been just wearing her. This is I'm calling her my construction style. So this is Belinda, different shade. Have to look up the shade, but she's a blonde, stunning, again, also by Envy. And let me show you the inside of this girl. I've worn her multiple days. So this is the same style. So I'm going to show you the inside of the cap, the deep left side part, and that has the sheer here. So it's small, but it still gives you the illusion of part. You can see it looks like I have a part there. The lace front right here, so you can see through it, and that's what makes it look like it's coming out of my head. And we'll go over that in a minute. Then we've got velvet ear tabs on either side. So these go at your temple. This is right here, right here. And then in the back, adjusters. And these adjust just like a bra strap, really, kind of a, just a IYKYK. Tags in the back, lace in the front, and we put her on just like we do. And if you have any questions about that, I do that many times in previous and other videos. So just keep track of that. Now let's talk about this hairline. So when I put her on out of the box today, the lace kind of buckled, kind of moved. So what I did is I used a product that I love called Got to Be Glued. It is not glue. It comes in this container or a black version. This is my travel size. So I would use this one because it's clear. The yellow one is white, and I noticed that it showed through this lace. So you can't, so I'm gonna get really close to the camera. You can see a little bit of a demarcation line here because it's lighter. The lace is lighter than my skin. So that's probably why it showed up. This Got to Be Glued is clear, is a clear gel. And I just picked up the cap, ran a bead of Got to Be Glued. Again, not glue, it's more like really stiff hair gel. And I ran that along the side. So that's now really tacked down nice. It's not buckling. It looks very natural. I don't want to take it off though, because then I have to redo it, obviously. So this will give you an idea of if your lace buckles, and sometimes that happens when you've worn a wig over and over again, the lace gets stretched out and the wig's not damaged and it's not time to throw it away or anything, but just run a little bead of Got to Be Glued. So you can see right here, I could put a little more. I didn't put enough right there. So let's do that. Let's put a little bit more and you can see how that works. Now I'm working out of my camera, so it's certainly not perfect, but we will do that. We'll grab a little tiny bead of this Got to Be Glued, and we'll see how I do with a camera like this. So take the hair away from where you want to nail it down, but you can see right here, it's raising, lifting. So we're gonna go like this with this clear gel right there, put it down there and just hold it in place, and we're gonna keep it from buckling. So that's just how we fix that. Here we go. And we can pull this other hair out of there. But that's a simple fix if ladies, if your lace is buckling at all. Just put a little bit of hair gel, and in a pinch, eyelash glue also works. So I'm glad you're here. You joined my channel, and follow me on my website. That's brand new. The link is in the description below. Click on the link and it'll take you to my website where you're going to get a newsletter I'm developing. We're looking at a trip for all of us wig wearers. That should be fun. And a lot of exciting things coming in 2025. I'm super thrilled. Let me give you a shot at the back again, because I know I have that special friend who always says, show me the back, show me the back. So here it is, the back of the hair. It's all swingy, it's beautiful. I don't think it's too long. I love the density, especially if you are someone who has very thin, fine hair. It gives you the illusion of long hair. It does have the wefts, but they don't show through. It's just a gorgeous piece. If you join me over on my website, you can ask me questions, lots of things that are going to be happening over there. But I do appreciate you. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Again, that is to follow me. It's not a subscription where you have to pay money. It's just a follow button. And in this world, in this place, it requires you to push subscribe in order to follow me. You don't have to, you'll still see my videos, but it really helps me if you subscribe. So just push that little button. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. Cheers.